Good afternoon, dear guests. We are right here beside Finland's first industrial-scale green hydrogen production plant, and I want to warmly welcome you all to Harjavalta for this exceptional event, to the official opening ceremony of this plant. Tervetuloa, välkommen, herra tasavallan presidentti Alexander Stubb.
Here in Harjavalta, you're writing the history of Finnish industrial policy here and now. Warm congratulations. Thank you very much.
The Harjavalta plant is now reality. Finnish hydrogen market will be opened. We have our first customers and business run. I dare to say, the forerunners will gain a competitive advantage and secure supply of emission-free energy in the 2030s. And this is done now. The one and only Elastinen.
Erinomaista iltapäivää. Näinhän se on, että jos tällaisten tuotantolaitosten avaaminen olisi helppoa, niin kaikki tekisi niin.